Welcome back. This time I am here with another video on Clipchamp. In this video we will see how to use Clipchamp for screen recording. Open Clipchamp on your desktop or open the web app as I am doing here now. I presume you have already logged in, otherwise log in using Microsoft account. If you have any doubt on the basic features of Clipchamp and how to access it, please watch our video how to use Clipchamp, the free video editor. The link is provided in the description section. On opening the Clipchamp application, you are provided with the two main options: create a new video and create a video with AI. In fact, it was create something instead of create a video with AI till a week back. This video was created 2 weeks back and I had to edit the video to conform to the new changes made. Going ahead, let us opt create a new video. In the next screen, we have to choose record and create, which provides us with the 4 options. Record screen and camera, camera only, screen or text to speech. We will opt screen recording. Click on the screen button. At the bottom left hand corner of the screen, a pop-up record button appears. You can see there is a microphone icon here which indicates that the microphone is available for recording, and it also shows the timing as 0 to 30 minutes, and 30 minutes is the maximum time for which you can do the recording. Click on this round red button. A screen appears. 3 options here: Chrome tab, window and an air screen. Under Chrome tab, the tabs opened by me are listed. Here I have opened Reserve Bank of India site, and other one is a video of a speech by Jack Ma. If I require entire screen to be recorded, I can choose this option, including the taskbar area will be recorded, or you can choose the window option. Now you can see I have selected Chrome tab. I will choose Jack Ma's speech. Share button get highlighted. You have to check the box at the bottom left hand corner so that the audio will be shared. Now when I click on share, I will be taken to the tab which I was chosen for recording. So I am here. I'll just play it.
But most people say you are crazy. You are doing something never exist, and I'm very honored to be invited here today.
I have stopped the video. Now I will click on stop sharing and go back to Clipchamp. If you are satisfied with the recording, you can choose save and edit. In case you want the recording to be retaken, opt for retake recording. I'll choose save and edit. It takes me to the edit page. Let's play the video. So I'm here.
But most people say you are crazy. You are doing something never exist, and I'm very honored to be invited here today.
Now you can see while opening, so I'm here. Up to that, it is not Jack Ma's voice, it was my voice. I will edit this. This is one facility we have. We have recorded it. We can do the editing also here. So I am removing that portion. I should have shut up while the recording was on. But no problem. I can do an editing here. I'll cut it here. Remove this portion.
But most people say you are crazy. You are doing great innovation center.
I'll cut this portion also. Remove it. Now the recording contains Jack Ma's speech only. Of course, I could have taken care at the time of doing the recording of the screen. Now one good thing about Clipchamp is it provides you the whole editing facility here while doing this screen recording. Let me show an example. From the stock audio, I will choose an overlay here. This is a free stock clip available. I will add it here. Okay. Now suppose I want to add an introductory text. I can also do that. I will edit it. Jack Ma on real wealth. I can reduce the length a little.
But most people say you are crazy. You are doing something.
You can do edit and enhance the clip also. You can give the file a name here and then export it. Choose 1080 pixel. Now it is getting exported. You can also directly save it to the computer, or you can save it to the Google Drive, upload to YouTube, and so on. You can also use the desktop application for doing this screen recording, but I would recommend using the web application. I'll tell you why. Once I click on the screen, the pop-up record button appears, but you can see audio is now not available. There is some problem. Like that, you can see I choose the tab, the Chrome tabs are not listed. So these two inconsistencies are observed. Of course, I hope this will be taken care of by Microsoft without delay. So I would suggest that you use the web application. We have seen that the recording is now limited to 30 minutes. In case you require a screen to be recorded for more than 30 minutes, you have to start another session and then edit and join the two files. So that's it. That's how we do the screen recording using Clipchamp. It's easy. It's versatile in that it has got the full editing facilities available with that. The software is getting improved continuously. More utilities are made free. Hope this video has been useful to you. If you liked it, please share it. If you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe now. Hope to be back with another video soon.